Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the currency converter function on the CoinMarketCap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the markets button down below or either of these tabs, and then click on the account option in the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the converter icon, which is the second option below the see all button. So tap on it, then you should select the source currency and the target currency to which you want to convert it. So you can use or select from this list or type in the name of your currency into the bar and type in the amount you would like to convert, and here you can see the results. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.